Hello, I'm Rayan Laqad, a UAV expert in the Robotics and Internet of Things lab at Princeton University. I'll be sharing with you a really interesting topic regarding the use of drones and 3D modeling to inspect cell towers, which most people are not aware of nowadays. Every year, the telecommunication companies have to perform a condition assessment of their cell towers. They perform this audit by sending tower climbers to perform on-site inspection of the towers. Typically, the inspections are done manually, meaning that the workers have to climb the tower and check if there are any issues. Tower climbing is a very dangerous career for someone to undertake. The two biggest threats of this job are falling off from a ridiculously high distance and radiation. Since the average height of a communication towers range from 50 to 1,000 feet, falling from these towers usually results into death. And here are some statistics. For example, in 2002, there were reports of 93 workers falling off the tower. And between 2003 and 2011, 50 climbers died working on cell sites, and more than half of the nearly 100 were killed on the communication towers. In 2015, two workers were killed in West Virginia, and five were hospitalized, unfortunately. And in 2017, around 15 workers were killed in Miami. So therefore, it is vital to consider thoroughly what can be done on a daily basis to make their job as safe as can be possible. This is where drones and 3D modeling comes into place. By using drones and 3D modeling, the process of inspecting cell tower can be simplified into the following ways. First, drones can help workers acquire high-quality images and videos of the structure, and based on that, they can visually inspect the cell tower to check whether there are any anomalies on the tower or any missing antennas, for instance. Second, the images captured by the drones can be used by workers to reconstruct a high-quality 3D model of the cell tower. And this will allow them to get an accurate measurements of the tower and better visualize the tower from a 3D aspect. And finally, and most importantly, using drones to inspect cell towers will save time and possibly countless of lives, since workers do not have to climb the tower, and we estimate that using drones in this matter can reduce the average inspection time by 50 to 75% roughly. So in conclusion, the use of drones and 3D modeling to inspect cell towers is extremely important and can change the way we inspect the communication towers. It can save tower climbers their time, health, and most importantly, their lives by reducing the risk that could happen when physically climbing these towers.